Hey guys, today I have come to bring you my little Amazon haul, okay? I purchased like $100 worth of products on Amazon. Most of them were beauty products. So I'm just gonna tell you what I bought just in case somebody discovers a product that they didn't know that they needed. So product number one is Lash Cocaine Mini. So this is an eyelash growth serum. I have used 3 in the past, okay? I think the one was L'Oreal. I've been using Four Chics since 2018. I've also been using their eyebrow growth serum and their mascara. So they're all to help your lashes grow. That's their purpose. All of them work to some degree. So the Four Chics, they changed their formula a couple years ago and it hasn't been the same since, and they've raised their prices. So not only does it not work as well as it did when I first started buying it, but it costs more. So I was getting fed up, and I will still gladly buy their mascara. Like, their mascara, in my opinion, is one of the best on the market, but I needed to go cheaper. And not only, so this has reviews on Amazon with like the before and after pictures of like the eyelashes, and it looks like it may work better. So I haven't tried this one yet. I don't know why I said I tried 3. I tried 2 and this is my 3rd. But this is a product that's worth investing in. Most of them will grow your eyelashes to some extent. It's just a matter of, do you want to have long eyelashes or do you want to have extra long eyelashes? So that's the goal. So here, keeping it basic, we have shower caps. Why? Because I was washing my hair every day, and why the heck was I doing that? I don't think I need to explain anymore there. Okay, so then I got these sleep bonnets for my daughter. So I already bought myself one, and now I understand the value. I brushed my hair, put it in the bonnet, like literally just shoved it in. I shoved all of my hair in. And I went to bed and I woke up and my hair had maybe 2 very small knots, and it looked precisely the same as when I had brushed it and put it into the bonnet. And my daughter's hair is curly. So I was like, she need. This is the 3rd one. Everyone needs an alcohol-free whitening rinse. And personally, I think this is the 2nd best on the market, only to the 3D White Crest Brilliance, which is slightly more expensive because it is their newer whitening formula that works better. But I bought a 4-pack of these, and honestly, with the way I use these, because I only use like a little bit, these will probably last me for like 1.5 to 2 years. So that was a worthy investment. All right. And the last thing we have, these are trending. It's a gua sha. So basically it promotes like the drainage of like toxins. You're supposed to like do it in a specific way. The packaging recommends that I freeze it. And it also comes with a jade roller. So I already had a jade roller. I used it and I determined that I hated it because I felt like it was spreading bacteria around, and I felt like I was actually breaking out more while I was using it. Which is why I was hesitant to get the gua sha as well. But hopefully we're gonna try it again. We're gonna see what happens. So the gua sha is actually supposed to be good for acne, I guess, because of like, if you do it correctly. Yeah, so we're gonna try it. I do like the immediate effects of the jade roller. Like, it does what it's supposed to do. It like is good for depuffing. I just feel like it was just spreading around my acne, and now that my skin is clear, we're gonna give it another try. So maybe you have found a beauty product today that you didn't know you needed, and I've accomplished my goal. But if you didn't, maybe you just enjoyed listening to my rant and watching somebody open the contents of a box, because I know that I freaking love that. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.